Hello, beautiful people. How una day? Thank you so dearly where you dey always dey support me for this channel. I really appreciate. If today na the first time you come across this channel or you dey see my face for the first time, na me that they call the one and only Akan Shower Pro. Now they bring this news they call give una. So before I start, I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, you never be friend to this channel, waiting you they wait, I beg click that button when you say subscribe, may you turn on the bell icon. I beg make una support on our system. Together we go make am more better. So my correct people, una know say I tell una say all the news from A to Z, I go dey bring out the call give una the way una just want am. The thing don arrange no be here. Una know say shameless, lawless DSS when e dey for Nigeria, when e be say when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey kidnap am. All this while as the kidnapper, in case you never know, because if I dey talk, so people not gonna know where I dey go with, where I dey come from. So make I first come from where I dey go first before me I will call land. So una know say since the kidnapper His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya since June. All this one when they go court, he never want the open matter talk for court. They never even judge matter. They never judge the case. Not be smart, not be the lawyer come at Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Come out, come tell the world, say, he no go fit hide this thing again. No, say wetin Nigeria they do, he not like am. Say wetin the DSS they do, he not like am. Only DSS go naked down, remove everything from his hand, do am as if he be nobody. If they go visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he not still complain, he not still talk. Even when he cry out, now so everybody carry the news that time. Still, DSS not still change. Neither one can still pass. We no even know say because say they call give them court hearing December 2nd when be say the lawyer call scatter ground. The lawyer court tell court a lot of things. Now court say, oh, now make they transfer Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comot from DSS custody, make them move am to correctional center. Say e no wan lie say make Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey under them. That he call vex DSS. They say, wetin go make the lawyer go talk that kind matter? Say no dey happen. Say like to say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go must dey under them. My people, wetin that they call like that? Wetin that they call like that? Who they do that kind thing? As if that one not still dey enough. Oh, they can't stop to give His Excellency food. Pata. They stop to give am water. He know they use pillow for his head. They sleep for night. Now once tomorrow they come put am for 23 hours. Now only 1 hour. Now in they go out. They cause he come up for that 1 hour. If he manage go out for that 1 hour, nobody they greet him. Nobody they talk to him. If he talk to anybody, they go say Oyo. If he talk to anybody, they go say I beg go. Me no want talk to you so that they not go punish me. So nobody they agree they talk to him. Everybody they run away from him. Now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because he say, I know the kind of spirit when he gets, he give the time whether they go change or not change. Now he tell the lawyer say, tell my people what the DSS they do. Omo, and una know say, not be only Biafra. Now this lawyer they pass this message to. Anytime this lawyer come out go talk, now the full word. Both people when it be Biafra, or people when not be Biafra. Now they pass the word they give you. Internationally and locally. Now they tell the word because people won't hear from am. People know say now they go they visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and now they bring the information they come. Now the lawyer come out cry come and say hey say they not they give the clients pillow to take sleep. Oh. The guy na 23 hours now they stay inside. They see sunlight only 1 hour and that 1 hour they not they allow anybody to talk to Ramo. My people, he not even know he left and he right to say hunger. Now that they give him, they know they give her food. Hunger strike. Say the time when he take deliver this message, His Excellency not eat for 2 days. Hey, Omo, as he bring that matter, come believe your people now. You know say the Biafra na spirit, and when the spirit dey your body, now so you go they jerk you up and down. Not be Biafra people they are jacking. They are jack the matter, start to spread them. They spread them. So everybody internationally cause he say DSS of a truth, Nigeria government na lawless country. Now they be lawless leaders. Now DSS come out yesterday say, hey, because of this matter now, because of Nnamdi Kanu, say the world now, they look there to be bad people. I say, sure. See, fry pan said they call pot black. Because of Nnamdi Kanu, the world they look on to be bad people. On affairs good. On affairs good. Now he say no, he say the kind of food when Nnamdi Kanu they eat. He say good people will get mash or they eat them. I say for real. He said the care when they give Nnamdi Kanu, he said no, they know they give their own children that kind of care. Say Nnamdi Kanu they shop like rich person for that place, he they sleep for better bed, and they see sunlight and they rapport with anybody rapportable. I say true. He say even Nnamdi Kanu self testify to people say the way that they treat him for year, it too they good. Say why the lawyer come out cut off that kind of matter. So now my question when I come and ask the DSS be say, for my first question be say, where Nnamdi Kanu dey now? Like play now, we just need to ask them 1 or 2 questions. The first question we want to ask them be say, where Nnamdi Kanu dey now? He dey inside prison, abi he dey inside correctional center, abi he dey with the lawyer, abi he dey inside DSS custody. Where he dey? And that be our question number 1. Number 2. December 2nd, where they say make they put him as Nnamdi Kanu? May they answer that question because the world now don't put there for blacklist. Una just see the level so. The world now don't put Nigeria for blacklist. Say Nigeria don't dey red list. Say that they watch there from afar. You see, say don't want to say Muhammadu Buhari they travel here, travel there. They know what that they do. They watch there from afar because of that thing. Now DSS crack come outside. Could you be say that DSS man, that Igbo man? He crack come outside say, no be so. Me they know they paint Nigeria government black oh. Me know they paint Nigeria bad oh. Say Nigeria not bad oh. Say Nnamdi Kanu they enjoy. If Nnamdi Kanu they enjoy, the only one question when I answer that be say, where Nnamdi Kanu now? He dey under na custody abi? Una so na dey obey court order abi? Say anybody when he call visitor, his sisters, his brothers, his wife, say that they obey. Say una dey obey court order that they call the visitor abi? But not be see the same court telling us make una transfer from that to na custody. Wait on they wait. If really say wait on a come out court talk. That your oga wait he come out court talk. Say Nnamdi Kanu they enjoy. Say everything they did okay with her. Wait till make never can come from that correctional center when he did that DSS custody when he did. Go where judge say me they put him. I beg, make una stop this thing when they do. Person when he did under DSS go they enjoy. And I just see that kind of matter before. It not they happen. Person dey other DSS say they enjoy. Na lie, na story. All those things na story. We not believe una. So my correalistic people now waiting me call break or give una be that say DSS they don't start to dey lie again. No. So as they lie, so now so we ourselves go see they give the red light to. So now make me say make I come make I cut on and say see the level now. Everything that they change, people that they change hands. Nnamdi Kanu must come out by fire by force. So they must release them by fire by force because you not do anything when you warrant all this. So my correalistic people I beg. Now me that they call Akan Shower Pro. Make una support on our sister. Make una help on our sister. Make una promote on our sister. How una go to do this thing now? By say you go subscribe. You go share this video. May we hit 1K. Nothing do us. Thank you so dearly when you did support this channel. I really do appreciate. See you when I see you. For now, una bye bye yo.